how to update your billing information in OpenArt AI. So let's go to the website, OpenArt AI, then click on the workspace over here, manage workspace. And then you go to manage subscription. And then you have manage billing. Give it some time. And over here you can update your billing information or your payment method. So let's go back. If you don't see manage workspace over here or you don't have it, just click on your profile and go to manage account, which is the same thing. Or if you still don't have that, in case you don't see any of these, just go to your profile again and go to subscriptions. Over here you have manage billing. And here it is. So I showed you 3 ways to get here, in case you can't find one or another. Yeah, I hope it helps you. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to give it a like. Thank you.